Osmo Pocket, Gimbal Mode. The gimbal features mechanical stabilization, helping to reduce camera shake during shooting. Swipe down in the camera view to change the gimbal mode. In follow mode, rotate the handle horizontally, and the camera pans to follow. Tilt the handle up or down, and the camera tilts to follow. The camera does not roll to follow if you swing the handle left or right. The captured footage will be horizontally stable. This mode is suitable for most scenarios, including walk-and-shoot vlogs and selfies. Rotate the handle horizontally, and the camera pans to follow. However, the camera does not follow if you tilt the handle or swing the handle left or right. The captured footage will be horizontally and vertically stable. Ideal for push-pull and lateral shots. In FPV mode, the camera follows all handle movements when you rotate the handle. Tilt the handle, or swing the handle. This mode is suitable for street dance or creative shots, or immersive first-person view footage. In FPV perpendicular mode, the camera keeps perpendicular to the handle when powering on or recentering, while in normal FPV mode, the camera keeps horizontally forward. Press and hold the joystick to enter lock mode. The camera keeps a fixed direction and does not follow handle movements. This mode is best for push-in, pull-out lateral slides and lifts along a straight path. Do not use it for arc shots. Different rotation speeds affect how quickly the gimbal follows handle movements. In slow mode, the gimbal moves slowly to take smoother videos. With default mode, the gimbal moves at a moderate speed, suitable for most scenarios. Fast mode can be used to follow fast-moving subjects with slightly reduced stabilization.